In a green, peaceful forest filled with birds singing and waterfalls shining, all the animals lived happily. Among them was a little monkey, Chintu. He was the smallest in the jungle, but the smartest and the most playful. But thank you, Chintu. I found my nest again. Squirrel, you may be small, but your heart is the biggest. Everyone said Chintu may be tiny, but he has the biggest heart. Chintu laughing, ha ha, helping others make me happy. One day, thunder struck the sky and lightning hit a dry tree. Chintu worried, oh no, the jungle is on fire. At first, it was small, but with the wind, it started spreading fast. The jungle was in chaos. Everyone was scared and running for their lives. Chintu climbed the tallest tree and looked around. Chintu thinking, if we all work together, we can stop the fire. Courage filled his tiny heart. He made a decision. He would save the jungle. Chintu shouting, listen everyone. Elephant panicking, but the fire is too big. What can we do? Chintu, we can do anything if we do it together. He drew a plan on the ground with a stick. Chintu, elephant will bring water, birds will carry message, deers will lead the little ones to safety. Elephant spread water with their trunks. Birds drop wet leaves on burning trees. Chintu from the top, more water on the left. Slowly the fire began to die down. One big tree was still burning. Chintu, this is my jungle. I will save it. He jumped to the top with a giant leaf full of water and poured it on the last flame. And just like that, the brave little monkey saved the entire jungle. The next morning, the sun shined again, birds sang happily. Elephant Chintu, you saved our home, but you are the bravest of us all. All the animals lifted Chintu up and cheered. Chintu, the brave little monkey. Chintu smiling, we did it together. Moral of the story: if you have courage, you can achieve anything. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.